To use Apple Pay with Touch ID, start by opening iTunes, the Apple Store, or your preferred online store on your iPhone or iPad, and shop for the products and services you want. When you're ready to check out, tap the Apple Pay button, confirm your order details, and rest your finger on the Touch ID sensor to complete the payment. The same process applies to your MacBook. Open your preferred online store, shop, and proceed to checkout, where you'll tap the Apple Pay button, confirm your details, and rest your finger on the Touch ID sensor embedded in the power button to confirm the payment. For in-store payments, look for the Apple Pay or contactless payment symbol, or ask the attendant if they accept Apple Pay. To make a payment, rest your finger on the Touch ID sensor. Then hold the top of your iPhone near the reader's screen. By following these steps, you can easily use Apple Pay with Touch ID to make online and in-store purchases.